Welcome to the Tech News Series Day 12. In this series, we will discuss new gadgets, smartphones, technologies, and other things that save our time, energy, and money. If you are new, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Watch till the end, like the video, and share with friends. 200 crore rupees scam by Freedom 251 maker Mohit Goel. And Crore was first reportedly filed against Goel's company last month, and after that, the police has at least 40 written complaints of fraud against it from traders in Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Delhi, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and a few other states. Goel's bail plea was also denied by the Surajpur court on Monday. If you want to earn a high amount of money with affiliate marketing with a 30% to 50% commission rate, access the playlist from the I button. Wi-Fi 6 adapter by D-Link. As per a report, the adapter will be available in the second quarter of 2021 for $100, roughly Rs. 7,300. The report notes that you'll have to be connected to a Wi-Fi 6 router to get the biggest benefits, and considering the Wi-Fi 6 standard only started rolling out 2 years ago, most people aren't expected to have this yet. The DWAX1850 features WPA3 Wi-Fi encryption for optimal network and device protection. The adapter can be used for streaming videos or online learning. It comes with an auto-installation driver for Windows 7 to Windows 10. Redmi 9 Prime getting MIUI 12 update. Xiaomi has confirmed to Gadgets 360 that Redmi 9 Prime users in India are now receiving the MIUI 12 update in a phased manner. Few users have also tweeted about the arrival of the new update. The latest MIUI 12 update is 608 MB in size and comes with version number MIUI 12.0.1.0.6. Eligible users can check for the update in settings if they haven't already received a notification. Discover new ways to earn money, access their playlist from the I button. Xiaomi claims Mi 10i record-breaking sales worth Rs. 200 crores across platforms. The statement from Xiaomi has stated that over 1.5 million users chose to keep themselves notified on Amazon during launch. The two variants of 6 128 of a gigabyte storage, and 3 variants of 8 128 of a gigabyte of Mi 10i were top 5 selling products across all the categories on Amazon India. Mi 10i is our first device of this decade from the house of Mi that offers the 108MP camera coupled with Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G and future-proof 5G technology. WhatsApp talk about transparency of data. WhatsApp has explained in detail as to what information is not shared with Facebook. WhatsApp recently released a new privacy policy update. The company says the update does not affect the privacy of messages. WhatsApp does not share your group data with Facebook. Signal replaces WhatsApp. Signal replaces WhatsApp as the top free app on Apple App Store, Telegram second. WhatsApp's privacy update is pushing users to uninstall the app and switch to other messaging platforms like Signal and Telegram. The Signal is being seen as the most secure messaging platform. Telegram is its closest competition in terms of privacy. WhatsApp has now slipped to third place under the top free apps category on App Store. So that is for today. Hope you like the video, share the video with your friends and loved ones. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and if you have any query ask me in the comment section. See you in the next part of this series. Goodbye, take care.